People who don't know how to create a OpenAI account and copy a OpenAI API key. This video is for you. First, you have to search on Google OpenAI developer platform and click enter. After you get the result, click on first website OpenAI API overview. After opening the website, you have to log in here. So click on login button and fill your details like your mail address and password. If you don't have a account, you can create a new or continue with Google. After a successful login, from the top left side, click on dashboard and press get started. In here, in the bottom side, you have to click on API keys. Here is the option for creating a new secret key. Click on that. Here, if you want to write a name for your secret key, you can write a name. Like here, I'm writing my secret key name code with AI. For projects, select default project if you don't have any project. You can also set permission for a single API key. Here I'm giving all permission to my API key and click on create new API key. After a successful creation, finally you can copy your API key and paste where you want. Now you can use any OpenAI model like GPT-4o in your application. If you want to watch OpenAI API tutorial videos for beginner and for free, you can subscribe my channel.